checking out today?
Yes, we are.
May I have your name and room number, please?
It's under Artisan Galang, room 305.
Thank you, Mr. Sanggalang. Let me just pull up your account. Your bill, it includes your room charges, minibar items, and room services. Kindly check if everything's okay.
Look, okay to me.
What is this extra drink charge?
Let me check that for you. This is from the minibar on your second night.
Oh, it's okay, that's fine.
How would you like to settle your bill?
By card.
Alright, please stop or insert your card here, please. Payment successful. Here is your receipt. Also, here's your remaining deposit. May I have your room key, please? Housekeeping, room 305 for checkout, please. Do you need any help for your luggage or transportation?
No, we're good. Thank you.
Before you go, may I ask, how was your stay with us?
It was great. The service is really good.
We're glad to hear that. Thank you for staying with us. We hope to see you again soon. Have a safe trip.